Hey guys, welcome to Vados Technologies. In today's video, I will walk you through on how to run DDoS attack on your own network. So this is for educational purposes only. Alright? Quick disclaimer, this video is strictly for educational and ethical use. Only test this on your own devices, virtual lab, or any environment you fully control. Vados Technologies does not support or encourage illegal use. Alright, as you can see, I'm on my PyCharm right now. So we'll be using PyCharm to write this script, this Python script. Alright, so as you can see, I've written the code already. So I'm going to leave this code. I'm just going to leave this Python script on the description. So just go there and copy it, and you can paste it on your PyCharm. Alright. If you don't know what is PyCharm, PyCharm is an integrated development environment made by JetBrains specifically for Python programming. So you use PyCharm to write Python codes. Alright, so to download PyCharm, you can just say, as you can see here, you see something like PyCharm download. Alright, so you come to this list. This is where you can download PyCharm. So from here you can walk yourself through on how to download those. When you click on this download, you can be able to download it if you're using Windows or Mac, or you can download it. Alright, so let me get back to it. So I've written it already, as you can see, but I want to do it from scratch so that you understand how to do it. Alright, so let me first of all copy this code. Let me copy it. So to open a new project, you just click on this file here. You click on use file here. You go to new project. So when you come to use new project, here you can name it. Let me just call it Vados DDOS. Let me just call it like that. So this is where you create a new one. So you just click on this create. You click on this Windows. Alright, so it will be created for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can do that now, please. So it's creating the virtual environment. Okay, so it's coming. Let's just give it alright, so let me adjust this. So once you are done, what you need to do now is to create you go to this new, you click on it, you go to this new, and you go to Python file. Okay, you click on Python file. So you want to create a Python file right now where we'll be writing this this code. So I can just click on it, Vados. Let's call it Vados DDoS. So you hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will open. So this is from here. Now you can write your code. So let me just paste it. As you can see, I've pasted it here and I have this already. So okay, let me just explain the script for you. Let me explain this code for you. So first of all, you import your socket. This socket is a module, the Python module you will be using, to do this. Okay, to run this code. So we import our socket and you import your threading. So you put the target, which is the target we'll be using. So in this place we're going to be scanning. Our target is going to be scanme.nmap.com. As you can see, this website is where you can test your hacking skills. You can test your hacking skills in this website. It's a website that nmap provide. Okay, let me quickly open it. So scanme.nmap. Okay, Okay, let me open it, and as you can see, you are permitted to test your hacking skill in this website. Okay, so it's telling us that we set this machine to help folks learn about Nmap, and also to test and make sure that the Nmap installation or so is working properly. You are authorized to scan this machine with Nmap or other port scanners, as you can see. So you can just test your hacking skill here, and alright, so let's go back to it. It's actually .org, not .com, it's .org. So you put your target. So we'll be using this guy. So we'll be running the DDoS attack on this website, which is this website. We'll be running the DDoS attack on this website. So we put our fake IP, because whenever you're running a DDoS attack, your IP address is going to show. So at this point, that's why we are using a fake IP address here, so that even if our IP address is disclosed, they will only see a fake one, because this is not my IP address. This is just a random IP address I just put here. So because before you do this, you must make sure you don't have to rely on this fake IP, because you have to use anonymizing tools, just like VPN and other ones, so that it can anonymize you perfectly. Okay, so we'll be running this on port 8, which is the web server, web interface. All right. So this is so at this point, we are using we are running this. What is actually happening here, that once this thing connects to the target, what is happening here is that it's connecting to the target and to the port, which is this port 80, and it will send the request, the thousands of requests, and here what it does is closed. So it connects, send request, close. It connects, send request, and close. So this is what is happening in this place. All right, so in this place, it's telling us that it will be sending 900 floats. All right, so I believe you all know what DDoS attack means. So DDoS attack means distributed denial of service. It's a cyber attack where multiple systems flood a server, website, or network with traffic, overwhelming it and causing it to slow down, crash, or become unavailable. So this is what DDoS attack means. So just flood a website or a server with thousands of requests in 1 second. You understand? So that to a point where that web server can crash or become slow or just become unavailable. So that's what DDoS means. Okay. So as you can see, I'm good to go now. So I can start running this script now. So when I click on this place now, I will start sending flutes to this website, which is this guy. So let's try it and see. As you can see, the DDoS is working now. You can see I'm sending this request to this guy now. You can see it's working. Alright, this is how to do this, and another way to do this, if you want to make this to become more effective, okay, let me just pause it, let me just cancel it. Okay, so just cancel it. So as you can see, it is sending one by one, like one after like 1, 2, 3, like it's just sending the request it's just sending one request. All right, so but I want to make this to be more effective. I want it to be sending 900 requests in 1 second. As you can see, it's sending one request in 1 second. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's sending one request in 1 second, but I want it to start sending 900 requests in 1 second, so that the attack will be more effective. Alright, so how do we do this? So we just come to this place. So let me write this one. So we can say something like let me say if already put my underscore, if already connected. So I'm saying that if this are already connected, so you put this. I want it to be sending 900 requests per second. Okay, so I want to add this. So if I run it, I'm going to get an error. So if you check this error is telling us that there is something that is happening here on line 20, which is this guy. So what is happening is that in indentation error, that's what they call indentation on Python, which means that they are telling us to put indentation here. So to put indentation, I have to give a space here. I have to give 5 space this place. So let me count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what they call indentation in Python. So let me run it again. So it's going as you can see, is working now. It's running. So it's sending 900 requests right now in 1 second. As you can see, sending 900 requests per second. 900 requests per second. So I can pause it now. So let me pause it. So as you can see, I've closed it. So as you can see from here, you see that it sent 900. It sent another 900. It sent another 900 per second. So this is to make it to be more effective. This is to make it to be more effective. Alright, this is how to run DDoS attack using Python code. Alright, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Vatos Technologies for more real world cybersecurity tutorials like this. Alright, you can comment below if you have any question. See you in our next one. Thank you.